3 to 5% down, you know, or more for a home. This would be more suited for someone who's looking for a home, who is looking for funding and help with that as well. So that's what that grant would be more suited for.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are there any credit requirements or income?
There are credit requirements for mortgages. When you sit down with a mortgage loan officer, as you probably know, they do profile the customer and make sure that they provide them with the best solution that meets their needs. So it's a really big option product suite for options. So I mean, you can have, from what I've looked at, you know, mid 500s all the way up, you know, to the 800s. I mean, it's a wide range of products that are offered to all types of customers depending on what type of credit challenges. Of course, you have to have income. You have to have some type of income coming in, and making sure that that's recurring and you're working somewhere. All of that is vetted. And the good thing about us is, though, we sit down with you before that. We get all your financials. We kind of see what your picture looks like because everybody's different. And so we look through it and see where you are specifically, and then we can create a plan. So say, for instance, we do meet with someone who is younger, who may have some credit challenges, and we look at them and their entire picture, and we talk to them about where they are and how we can get them. So a first-time home buyer, just so you know, it's a process. So you really want to start talking to your banker and your realtor way before you buy a home, right? 6 months to a year out, you know, you want to start having the conversation so that if you do have credit challenges, you want to make sure that the banker knows about it so they can guide you through how to get through that and how to increase your credit score. Also, the realtor needs to have that clear expectation so they can know the timeline. That's a great suggestion for any first-time home buyers is don't just get out there by yourself and start looking for houses and then you see one you really like and then there's a credit challenge and we might not be able to get that home immediately. We may, it depends on the type of mortgage that you can qualify for, but there are some times where you have to wait and you have to kind of do some things first to prepare yourself to purchase the home.